Somewhere out in the darkness of space lurk the most extreme objects in the entire universe. Places where gravity becomes so unimaginably strong that nothing, not even light itself, can ever escape. They are invisible, mysterious, and almost impossibly strange. They are black holes. But what actually is a black hole? And what would really happen if you fell into one? To make a black hole, you start with something enormous, a giant star far bigger than our sun. For millions of years, a star survives by burning fuel in its core, the outward push of that burning balancing the inward crush of its own gravity. But when a truly massive star finally runs out of fuel, that balance is lost and gravity wins. With nothing left to hold it up, the star's core collapses, crushing an immense amount of matter into an incredibly tiny space. The result is an object so dense, with gravity so ferocious, that it warps the very fabric of space around it. A black hole is born, often in a spectacular explosion called a supernova. Around every black hole is an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Outside it, you could still fire your engines and escape, but cross that line and escape becomes impossible. Anything that passes the event horizon, light, matter, is trapped forever, doomed to fall inward. There is no coming back. But why can't light escape? After all, light is the fastest thing in existence. The answer is that to escape a black hole's gravity, you'd have to travel faster than light, and nothing in the universe can do that. So light that crosses the horizon simply can't climb back out. That's why a black hole is perfectly, utterly black. And right at the very center lies the strangest thing of all, the singularity. Here, all the black hole's matter is thought to be crushed into a single point of infinite density, where space and time become infinitely curved. At the singularity, our known laws of physics completely break down. In truth, nobody knows what really happens there. It's one of the deepest mysteries in all of science. So what would happen if you fell in? Near a smaller black hole, gravity pulls so much harder on your feet than your head that you'd be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. You'd be drawn into a long, thin stream of particles, spiraling down into the dark. Not a pleasant way to go. Black holes bend more than just space. They bend time too. The closer you get to one, the more slowly time passes for you compared to everyone far away. If you could hover near the event horizon and then return, you might find that mere hours for you had been decades for the rest of the universe. Near a black hole, time itself loses its grip. Not all black holes come from single stars. At the heart of almost every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lurks a supermassive black hole, millions or even billions of times heavier than the sun. And here's the reassuring part. Black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They don't roam around swallowing everything. From a safe distance, things simply orbit them just as Earth peacefully orbits the sun. For a long time, black holes were purely theoretical, things we could only imagine. But in 2019, scientists linked telescopes across the whole planet and captured the first ever real image of one. A dark shadow ringed by glowing hot gas, 55 million light-years away. We had finally seen the unseeable. From dying stars to the hearts of galaxies, black holes remind us just how strange and wonderful our universe truly is. And if there's a space or science topic you want explored next, tell me in the comments. Your question could be the next video. If this made you a little more curious about the world, subscribe to the Binary Brew, and I'll see you in the next one.